So this is the tallest of the air mattresses we're going to be checking out today. This is the NXONE Ever Comfy Raised Coil Airbed. It also might be one of the toughest airbeds we're looking at today because it can hold up to 650 pounds. It has a built-in pump, and it's made with a soft and waterproof flocked top, so it should be pretty comfortable and easy to take care of. So let's get it open and take a closer look. Comes wrapped up in a carrying case here. Got two tough handles and one of these things here that can tighten and loosen this right here. Comes wrapped up in this plastic film here. So the underside of it feels really nice and durable. The top side looks very suave, feels very velvety and comfortable. Looks really, really nice and high quality. And you can see we got a built-in pump here that can inflate and deflate. And we have the cord storage in here. So let's go plug it in and see how long it takes to inflate. Okay, so I'm going to start the inflate sequence and then start the timer. Here we go. So there you go, a little under 3.5 minutes, and this one's already filled up. So I'm 6'1" and I got a lot of space on this bed right here. It's also really comfortable. I like how nice and flat it is, and it doesn't feel like it wobbles back and forth when you go from side to side. It feels like it just holds a nice firm surface for you. I like these raised edges right here too. It feels like you're actually inside of a bed instead of on like a balloon that you could roll off of. And I like how quickly this inflated as well. So I think it's very useful. I think it makes a good option to sleep on, maybe for one and even two people over here. You still got plenty of space. And I love how high off the floor it is. At 18 inches, this is the tallest mattress that I'm checking out today. Okay, with the NX1, I'm going to switch it to deflate, and then I'm going to turn on the timer to see how long it takes to deflate. So deflate. Okay, you can see that one took about 3 minutes, 20 seconds to totally deflate. So overall, I think it makes a great air mattress. I especially love how high up off the ground it is. I love how comfortable it is and how easy it is to inflate and deflate with that automatic pump built into it. And I like that it's nice and easy to store up in this bag and just take on the go. So if you're looking for something like that, this could be the one for you.